Your next car could be the 2022 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, backup camera, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, intermittent wipers. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.